In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put design on sleeve in Printify. We'll walk through the exact path inside Printify's editor so you can place artwork cleanly on one or both sleeves. Start by opening Printify in your browser and signing in. On the left-hand sidebar, go to My Products. This takes you to your product list, where you can work with items you've already created. Choose the product you want to customize for sleeve art, maybe a hoodie, sweatshirt, or long sleeve tee, and open it. On the product card, look for the brush icon. Click that to launch the designer, then choose Edit to enter the product editor. Inside the editor, switch your print area to the left sleeve by selecting sleeve left. This changes the preview so you're working on the correct placement zone. Now move to the left side panel where your design sources live. You can bring in your own files, but for a quick start, open the graphics section. Browse the available artwork and click the graphic you like. It will drop onto the sleeve area. Position the design by dragging it, and use the corner handles to resize. Keep the artwork inside the visible sleeve print boundary to avoid anything getting trimmed. A simple rule of thumb is to leave a little breathing room near the cuff and the shoulder seam so the print provider has space for accurate placement. If your design has a specific orientation, like text that needs to read vertically, rotate it so it aligns with how the sleeve will be worn. Aim for clean, legible sizing. Small details can disappear on fabric, so err on the side of slightly larger rather than tiny. Once the left sleeve looks good, you can mirror the concept on the other arm. Switch to the right sleeve by selecting the right sleeve view, and repeat the process with the same or a complementary graphic. Try to match the size and distance from the cuff so both sleeves feel balanced. Consistency across both sides helps the final piece look professional. When everything is in place, click Save Product. This commits your sleeve edits to the product so it's ready for mockups, review, and publishing in your store when you're ready. If you don't see sleeve options for a particular item, that usually means that specific product or print provider doesn't support sleeve prints. Simply choose another item that does, and that's it. You've just learned how to put a design on a sleeve in Printify, from opening your product to selecting graphics, positioning them on the left and right sleeves, and saving your work.